Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get DirecTV Premium. So first, open your web browser and go to their website. It's directv.com. So once on the homepage, on the navigation tab, hover your mouse on Shop. Now a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Packages. So there are 4 types of DirecTV Premium packages. It's either Entertainment, Choice, Ultimate, or Premier. So additionally, you can compare packages by clicking the Compare Packages hyperlink under the package. So here is the full table comparison. You can check it and see what's best for you. For this example, let's select Premiere. Now here, you can check the summary on the right part of your screen. If you want, you can select some add-ons. You can check AMC Plus, Discovery Plus. After checking all of the packages you want, go ahead and scroll down until you see Secure Checkout. So click on that. DirecTV will ask you to sign in or create an account. So if you don't have a DirecTV account, go ahead and create your account here by filling out these necessary details. After that, you will fill out all the necessary details for your delivery address. And make sure to toggle this to give DirecTV the permission to contact you. After that, click Continue to Payment. You will be directed to the payment section. So here, review your user ID, your delivery address, the method, and the credit verification. So note that these details are just examples for tutorial purposes. Now here, go ahead and fill out this date of birth and your social security number and click Verify Credit. After that, you can now pay through credit or debit card by filling in your card number, expiration date, and the CVV. Go ahead and click the checkbox on the terms and conditions. Click on the I'm not a robot CAPTCHA. After filling all of the necessary details and reviewing the summary on the right side of your screen, go ahead and click Complete Order. That's how you get DirecTV Premium.